Hey, if you're looking for a little more back support, you got to check out this back brace that I have here. I like this because it's got this extra little pad that you can Velcro right against the back of your spine area for a little bit more comfort. Like I said, these are great for lumbar support. They're really easy to put on. So basically it's just a two-stage process. You're just gonna go ahead and pull this tight. Then this is where the magic happens. This is where you really get the support. You're just gonna go ahead and pull each of these. You see how when you pull here, it pulls these straps, okay? So you're gonna go one after the other. So I'm gonna pull this way, and then I'm gonna tighten this one. You can go as loose or as tight as you want and just crisscross it up here, and then they're gonna hold there with the Velcro. And now you can see what's really squeezing my lower back. It's squeezing my core. This is gonna be great for everyday wear. You can wear these around the kitchen. If you're standing a lot on a hard floor, this is great just to kind of squeeze and compress everything in there and just give you all the support that you need. When I tighten this down all the way, it feels very compact, which is what you want in a back brace and the lumbar support. That little extra pad back there is actually making a big difference. So if you don't want that, you can just take that out of there. Now the company did send this to me in exchange for my honest review. If you need that extra support in the back area, definitely pick this up. That is my quick review, and thanks for watching.